fitness friend Rashmi Raghuvanshi, and today we are going to do a full body stretching. As I always tell you that stretching is a very important part of your fitness regime, of your workout routine. स्ट्रेचिंग बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है रिकवरी के लिए, रिजुविनेट करने के लिए, अपनी बॉडी को रिलैक्स करने के लिए. Before starting, let me tell you that you have to hold the stretching for at least 10 to 15 seconds, then and it's going to be effective. जब भी आप कोई स्ट्रेच करते हो, किसी पोज में आते हो, you have to hold it. आपको थोड़ी देर होल्ड करना है, तभी उस मसल ग्रुप का स्ट्रेचिंग होता है. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so first come in child pose. Bend your knees like this, sit down on your heels, stretch, take a long deep breath and go down. Come in child pose and relax yourself. It will stretch your hips, your thighs and your lats. Relax and hold it there for a few seconds. From there, come into tabletop position, palm just below your shoulder, and we are going to do cat and camel. Cat और camel करने वाले हम. Inhale, tuck your tummy in, give a good stretch to your spine. Now breathe out and come in cat pose. Back को arch करना है. Arch your back, look up towards the ceiling. It will give a good stretch to your neck also. Again, inhale, stretch, breathe out, hold it there for a few seconds, then again inhale, tuck your tummy in, head down, stretch, breathe out, look forward, chin up, and relax. Now we are going to do butterfly stretch, which is an excellent stretch for your groin area, for your inner thighs. Keep your sit down like this, keep your spine straight and stretch your inner thighs. Shoulder back and down. If you want to stretch it more, just push your inner thighs with your elbows. But don't overdo it if you're doing it for the first time or if you're a beginner. अगर आप पहली बार कर रहे हो तो इसको बहुत ज़्यादा stretch मत करो, overdo करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Hold it there and come out of it. Sit down, relax. Okay. Now drop your shoulder down. Shoulder को ऐसे stiff नहीं रखना है. Relax. Drop it down and now rotate your neck. This will relieve your stress, all the tension in your neck muscles. Because जब भी हम वर्क करते हैं, कुछ सिस्टम के आगे बैठते हैं या वर्कआउट करते हैं, हमारे शोल्डर और नेक एरिया बहुत स्टिफ हो जाता है और बहुत ही स्ट्रेस होता है वहाँ पे. सो यू कैन डू दिस. अदर साइड. Okay. Now extend your arms. Bring the other arm and grab your neck and stretch. It will give a good stretch to your trapezius muscles. You will feel relaxed. Same with other side. Extend and stretch. Hold the stretch for a few seconds. And relax. Now let's stretch our triceps. Bend your arms like this. Grab it from the other hand like this and stretch, pull it. Again, if you're a beginner or if you're doing it for the first time, don't overdo it. बहुत ज़्यादा stretch नहीं करना है. Hold it there for few seconds and go on the other side. Other arm, bend and pull it like this. Hold it there for few seconds. And relax. Now side of your arms. Bring your right arm towards your chest and press from your elbow with the opposite arms. से press कीजिए. Look to the opposite side. Now same goes with the other arm. Look to the opposite side. Okay. And relax. Now we are going to stretch your hamstrings. Extend your leg. Bend the other leg like this. We are stretching the hamstring. Now grab your toe and try to touch your head to your knee. अगर आप पहली बार कर रहे हैं इस स्ट्रेचिंग को तो बहुत ज़्यादा करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए. अगर आप इतना भी करते हैं, you'll feel a very good stretch in your hamstrings. So don't overdo it on the first day. Slowly, gradually, जब बॉडी में आपके फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आ जाएगी तो आप ज़्यादा होल्ड कर पाओगे. Same with the other leg. Bend the right leg. Keep it here. Grab and stretch. Hold it there for a few seconds. And come out of it. Now come in lunge position. Lunge. Lower lunge. Now drop the other knee down. Push your hips forward. Hold it there. This is an excellent stretch for your glutes. Feel a very good stretch in your lower body. Okay. Now place both your palms on the floor and bring the arms which is inside, जो arm अंदर की तरफ है उसको stretch करना है and look up towards the ceiling. Hold the stretch. Now come in plank and go other side. Lunge. Come in lunge position. You feel very good stretch in your lower body. Now drop your knees. Knees को नीचे floor पे रख दीजिए and push your hips forward. Okay, now bring both your palm on the floor. Floor पे दोनों palm को रखना है. The palm which is inside will go up and stretch. Okay. Now both your palms on the floor. Come in plank position and now come in downward dog position. From there you have to come in pigeon position. For that bend your knee. Knees को bend. From there, you have to come in pigeon position. For that, bend your knees. Knees को bend कीजिए and sit on that. The other leg will be extended. दूसरा leg extend होएगा and stretch. As in this example. Not to overdo it. लगेगा repeating. मैं बार-बार बोल रही हूँ. अगर आप इतना कर सकते हो, which is perfectly fine. कोई जरूरी नहीं है जॉब देके पीछे जाने की. And lie down. Extend your arms. Give a little stretch to your back also. And same, you have to repeat on the other side. Then now extend your leg. Neutral. Come by this side. Slowly push it up and push yourself, relax your body. Take your arms. Come up. Now let's do 3 long deep breath to relax your mind also. Your body is already relaxed and rejuvenated. Let's relax our mind. Let's breathe in from your nose. Breathe out from your mouth. Close your eyes, spread your lips and smile and breathe in. Breathe out and relieve all your stress, your worries, any anxiety, depression. Again, inhale. Fill up all the positive vibes of this universe into your lungs and breathe out and relieve all your stress. One more last time, a good long deep breath. A smile on your face, everyone. Inhale. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel if you are really liking all my videos. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.